Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essential skills and choosing one high-impact project to show end-to-end work. Focus on Python, SQL, statistics, and basic ML. Build a neat notebook and push it to GitHub so hiring managers can run it. Once done, craft a resume template and 3 short role-focused pitches for interviews and networking. Make sure your LinkedIn reflects the same narrative and links to the project. This immediate setup gets you from zero to a marketable presence without waiting for perfection. Once your basics are live, scale outreach systematically. You should target 20 to 30 roles per week, customizing resume bullets and cover lines to match keywords and responsibilities. Use referrals first, then company portals and specialized boards, and track every submission in a spreadsheet. Meanwhile, prepare 6 to 8 concise talking points per project that explain problem, dataset, chosen method, and measurable impact, dollars saved, percent improved, or time reduced. Practice delivering those points in 2-minute and 5-minute versions for interviews. You close by converting interviews into offers through deliberate practice, phone screens, take-home tasks, and whiteboard problems under time pressure. Make sure to rehearse clear explanations of trade-offs and results, and prepare questions about team and metrics. When an offer arrives, negotiate using 1 or 2 concrete data points, target salary range, seniority, or start date, rather than vague statements. If progress stalls, audit 10 previous applications, request feedback where possible, and pivot either your project focus or target role.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.